Join me as I dive into the challenge of discovering what truly makes human teachers irreplaceable by technology. As we navigate the evolving landscape of education, it's clear that technology is playing an increasingly prominent role. From interactive whiteboards to AI-powered learning platforms, digital tools are transforming the way we learn. But in the midst of this technological revolution, a pressing question arises. Can technology truly replace the human touch in teaching? The growing reliance on technology in education is undeniable. We're seeing more and more schools and institutions incorporating digital solutions into their curricula. And while tech can offer personalized learning experiences, instant feedback, and access to a vast array of educational resources, there's a risk that we might lose sight of what makes human teachers so special. The question is, can we rely solely on technology to provide the kind of education that students need? One of the main concerns is that technology can lack the empathy and understanding that human teachers provide. When students face challenges or struggles, they need someone who can offer a listening ear, words of encouragement, and guidance. While AI-powered systems can offer support, they can't replicate the kind of emotional intelligence that human teachers possess. This is crucial in building trust, fostering resilience, and helping students navigate the complexities of life. Moreover, over-reliance on technology can lead to a lack of human interaction, which is essential for social and emotional learning. Students need to learn how to communicate effectively, work collaboratively, and develop essential life skills like empathy, self-awareness, and self-regulation. Human teachers play a vital role in facilitating these kinds of interactions and helping students develop into well-rounded individuals. So, what makes human teachers irreplaceable? For starters, they possess emotional intelligence, which enables them to understand and respond to students' emotional needs. They also provide mentorship, guidance, and support, which are essential for students' academic, social, and emotional growth. Additionally, human teachers are adaptable, able to adjust their teaching styles to meet the diverse needs of their students. This kind of flexibility is crucial in today's rapidly changing world. Another key quality that human teachers bring to the table is their ability to inspire, motivate, and encourage students. They can spark a student's curiosity, ignite their passion for learning, and help them develop a growth mindset. This kind of inspiration is often sparked by a teacher's own passion for their subject area, their enthusiasm, and their love of teaching. Let me share with you a powerful example that illustrates the unique impact of a human teacher on a student's life. I recall a story of a teacher who took a struggling student under her wing, providing guidance, support, and encouragement. The student was on the verge of giving up, but the teacher's unwavering belief in their potential helped them turn things around. This student's story is a testament to the kind of life-changing impact that human teachers can have. The story highlights the profound influence that a human teacher can have on a student's life, far beyond what technology can offer. It's a reminder that education is not just about imparting knowledge, but about building relationships, fostering growth, and making a lasting impact. In summary, it's clear that human teachers bring a unique set of qualities to the educational landscape. Their emotional intelligence, mentorship, adaptability, and ability to inspire make them irreplaceable in the eyes of their students. If you've had a teacher who made a significant impact on your life, I'd love to hear about it. Share your stories in the comments below. And if you're interested in exploring the role of technology in education, be sure to check out my next video, where we'll dive into the benefits and challenges of integrating tech into the classroom.